Hi everyone, welcome to Beauty and Lifestyle by Anandita. It's a lovely evening today, and it's my balcony. This is the place that I love the most. Today I'll talk about BB creams. And the BB creams are very essential. When you are going outside in the morning, you obviously need a protection from harsh sun rays, and sometimes we need a light makeup base which will make us look good. However, it will not make us look loud. So BB creams are like that. They will help you in getting that makeup look, that beautiful touch without being loud. And of course BB creams do have SPF, so that's an added advantage. It's a very good part. You can wear them in the morning without even thinking about being tanned or something. So today the BB creams that I'm going to talk about are these two. They are Pond's BB cream, guys. So they are not new in the market. They are a very talked about thing, I would rather say. So this is the one. This is Pond's BB cream, and this is the older version. This is how the outer packaging looks. It's pretty simple, as you can see, a white and pink packaging. Packaging is good, sleek, smart. It does not have lots of coloring or lots of thing at the front part to confuse. Yeah, it's very simple. Pond's BB cream white beauty. This is original. This shade is called original. They have two shades actually. Now this is called original. And then instant spot coverage plus natural glow. That's all it talks about itself. And then it's 67 rupees for 9 grams. It's mentioned over here, and here is a whole bunch of instructions about ingredients. This is something I really love about this product. The ingredients are mentioned, so if you are curious to know what the ingredients are, how they work, pros and cons, obviously you can go to Google and find out. Okay, and it's a quite a huge list. It's a small thing and the list is quite big, so yeah. And that's pretty much it. It has BB plus fairness cream, SPF 30 PA, and then plus plus. So yeah, I think this plus plus is all about more protection. It's SPF 30 and then plus plus, so more than 30 I would say. I don't know, yeah. And shelf life, I'm not sure. I think you can keep it for 2 to 3 years. I'm not sure, guys. I'll try and mention it in the description box if at all I find it out. But yes, if you can go to Pond's website, you can definitely find it out. And today I have no makeup on my face, absolutely no makeup, as you can see. And this is the other one. This is Pond's. You see the difference, the packaging. This one is like this and this is like this. This is little nicer, little glamorous little glamorous in terms of the outer packaging, and this is how it is, another sleek stylish packaging. And it says again like Pond's BB plus cream. It's light. This is the shade number. That's what I purchased because I was really not sure about which one will go with my complexion. So this one, I just thought it will go good, so I purchased it. And then it's not a very big one. It's only how much, 18 grams, so I would anyways finish it. So yeah, because BB creams is something I can't live without. Yeah, that's true. So yeah, BB cream, the shade is light, and then it says light makeup glow, which is actually true. I have used it. And then it says instant spot coverage like the other one. It also says vitamin enriched cream and light foundation. These are the added advantages. And it also says SPF 30 PA plus plus. These are the things mentioned at the front part. If I turn it like this, well, this is a whole bunch of things are mentioned, like dermatologically tested skin cream, blah blah blah. You see lots of things mentioned over here. If you really want to know, please go to Google or Pond's website to figure out what the things are. And this one price, well, I have the box. Actually, this is the box. This is how I got it. The box is also quite lovely and attractive, isn't it? So it was 120 rupees, and shelf life is it's like from 21 to 24, so 3 years. Yeah, so that's pretty much good, because anyways, if you're using a small BB cream and you go out every day, maybe you are working, you are going outside, or to pick up your children for grocery shopping and all, obviously it will get over. So don't even think about the expiry. These are pretty good. And this is outer packaging. Lots of things are mentioned, like how you can use a BB cream. The basic part is you have to like clean your face. That's the basic part, and then you can apply a BB cream. You do not really have to apply any base or moisturizer or anything like that. It's simply you can apply a BB cream and start working. And the shades are mentioned over here. There are 2 shades available in this particular BB cream section. So the first one is light, what this is, fair to medium skin tone, so I have purchased light. And then medium, which is medium to dusky skin tone, so I have purchased the first one, light. Yeah, and I am going to apply this one in front of you guys. I'll just show you how I look. And another thing, I just wanted to know whether there is any difference between this one and this one. They do not look similar for sure, they look different. Yeah, there you go, they look different, they do not look similar at all. And I just wanted to see the difference, because this one comes with lots of other promises like vitamin enriched and all, but this one was not with so much of promises. So I'll just apply in front of you guys and let's see whether there is any difference. Yeah, and the best part is you do not need a lot of quantity. This BB cream is, I'm taking just this much guys, okay, for my right side, and very quickly I'll just finish it off. And while applying, let me just tell you guys, when you apply a BB cream, do not take a lot, because then it might give you a simply cakey look. If you are going for a marriage party or something where you know that you are going to apply a heavy makeup, then obviously you can take little more, but otherwise normally BB creams will give a shield, okay. And if you are going to pick up your children, going for grocery shopping, then you see guys the difference, because I have taken little more. Normally I take very less when I'm going for my grocery shopping, or I'm going to office, I'm going to pick up my children, I do not take this much. Even when I shoot my videos, then also you can understand, if you see my other videos, you will clearly understand that my hands and face, they look similar. My hands and all, they do not look like my hands are darker, my face is really very bright. It is never like that. But today, while in a hurry, I kind of took little more. Normally I don't take this much, and you can understand the difference, okay. It's like you put a mask or something, that's how it looks. So obviously if you are going out, people will stare, you will get that unwanted negative attention. And since I have already taken this much for the right part, I'll not take less, then it will be injustice with this one. So I'm taking this much again. Let's see how it looks. Okay, while applying, I do not understand any difference. It seems to be seems to be similar. And I'm applying in front of you guys. As you can understand, it's happening really fast, really quickly. And guys, this part also, see, if you are taking more, you see the difference, it does not look good. Do you understand the difference, guys? This is almost same, isn't it? I'm not carrying any small mirror also, just in front of you, I'm finishing it. There you go, guys. Not much difference, isn't it? Looks wise, they are similar. I'm done, guys. There you go. There you go, guys. I'm done. How is it? It's nicely blended. So this is how it is, guys. And as you can see, it is giving me this kind of makeup look, and the finish is quite good. In a hurry I did it. I'm not carrying any separate mirror. Normally when you are going outside or for a party or something, you are very careful about your makeup, but see, without a BB cream your makeup is incomplete, and this is how it looks. But to be really honest with you, I think this side is looking little more flawless, isn't it, guys? So that's the older version. The smaller version is something I'll give 100 out of 100, and the newer version, which is like this one that I said, little glamorous in the outer packaging, this one is something I would give this one 70 out of 100. See, feeling wise, if you say how I am feeling, no difference. And this one is not stretchy, this is also not stretchy, but this is little matte. This is on the matte side, right? This one is looking little more flawless, I believe, but this one is not. In terms of coverage also, I believe this one is giving me more coverage, but this one is not. However, if I look at this part, it's looking almost similar. I think, sorry guys, this part is looking almost similar. There is hardly any difference in the color, isn't it? However, I don't know how much justice camera is doing. Sometimes camera does not show you all the minute details, but I can understand from here that this part is looking little more flawless while this part is not. right? And if I have to apply more BB cream, then there will be sorry for my nail polish, guys. I could not apply today, sorry for that. So yeah, see, there is a difference. People will understand that you have applied so much of makeup, so much of BB cream. That is definitely not expected. None of us will be comfortable with unwanted attention, right? So yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. This is the comparison. Color wise, they are same, the shade is same. However, since this one is little oily, this will not give you that flawless matte look. This one is not drying, however this will give you a flawless look. As you can understand, if you are going for a party, a marriage party or something, and you need a very good makeup, go for this. Don't go for this version, this variant. Don't go for this one, which is like BB cream with vitamin enriched one. Do not go for this one. This will give you a oily look, and if you are going to a place which is hot and humid, well, obviously will end up making I don't know, I mean, what to say. I mean, when you are sweating and your makeup is kind of coming down, I don't know, it's melted kind of. So you understand what I'm talking about. That's embarrassing, right? So don't go for this one, guys. Always go for this one. This will not give you that kind of oily patchy look. It's really nice, and I have used it before, guys. This is a fantastic BB cream. I'd give it a thumbs up. This is really wonderful. I mean, it's worth a try. Go for this, buy this one, use this one always, in the day, at night, parties, whatever. This is all you need, guys. So I give this one 100 out of 100, and this one like 70-80 kind of, and I always recommend this one. This is the best, and this is average, even though it came later with a bigger promise. But still, guys, only if you have very dry skin and it's winter, you really can't deal with the dryness of your skin, then you can try this. Otherwise, in countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, in places like where we live, it's hot, it's humid, we hardly see winter. Go for this one, not this one. So that's pretty much it. I really had to share this one with you guys, and I'm really happy today that I've shared finally. But thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. If you have not subscribed yet, then please do, and if you are already a subscriber, oh, thank you very much. Thank you so much for standing by my side. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, you take care of yourself. Smile every day, every morning. Give a smile to yourself. No matter what others are talking about, others are doing, just give a smile to yourself to make yourself rejuvenated over time. Okay, so then I'll end today's video, guys. Take care. So just be happy and confident, and that's the key to success, guys. I'll see you again in my next video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications of the videos that I upload. By the way, I keep uploading my videos. So take care, guys. Bye.